Hello and welcome in my today's video, and today I have mchele madodo ama mchele maharage ama mixed rice and beans recipe. So please, if you are returning subscriber, thank you for your support. Continue staying tuned. If you are new in my channel, please consider subscribing into this #1 trading recipe channel. So for us to start our recipe for today, you need to prepare garlic, ginger, onion. That is in fresh form. You put on your burner, put your pot, put oil, salt, and as you heat this oil to get hot, now you prepare your onion, garlic, and ginger. After chopping your onion, you add them into your hot oil. You keep stirring because we need to cook this onion almost to golden brown color. After some few minutes of cooking your onion, you add the garlic and ginger that you prepared. Then you keep stirring. Then you also prepare these spices: cumin, ginger, paprika, coriander, onion, all of them in powder form. Then you add them into your golden brown onion that is cooking. Then you also add tomato paste. You can use fresh tomato if you do not have the tomato paste. Keep stirring. Then later you prepare your beans. That is that you have. It depends with the amount of the rice that you are cooking. You add them to your mix and keep stirring. Then later you also add your rice that you had already washed, like I did for mine. I had already washed it behind the camera. And for those who have been following my recipes, niliwaonyesha venye mtu anasoak mchele for like that or 1 hour before, earlier before the time of cooking. This one will help your rice not to stick. Yani itakusaidia usitengeneze mchele ambayo imestick. So mine, I had already done that earlier, and that is when now I'm adding it into this mixture of beans and spices and whatever, the ones that we have already mixed. Then after, you boil water that I already did it, and then you add into this rice. For me, I've added only 2 cups of water because my rice is half kg. So water, it will depend with the amount of the rice that you are cooking. But remember, when you soak the rice, remember it's already soft. So you should be careful with the amount of water that you are going to add into this rice. Then after, you cover, cook for a few minutes, and then when the water is almost drying up, we are going to add the yellow pepper. Then later, I'm going to be adding the coriander and green onion. Then I will cover this to simmer for around 10 minutes nikitumia foil. Hizi vitu zote nilikuwa nimetengeneza behind the camera because you need to make, maybe you prepare your ingredients earlier before the time of cooking. This one will make your cooking very easy kwa sababu hautatumia muda mrefu. At this point, I just taste how far is the rice. Then I cover with the foil. That is after adding just 1 piece of cube. This is vegetable cube. After kufunika na hiyo karatasi, unafunika, then unapunguza moto kabisa, ndio mchele yako ive kwa pole pole na itakuwa imestick. Then after, lazima tutengeneze kakibali ya kufanya mchele wetu ukue mtamu zaidi. And here you prepare another onion just as per your desire, yani kulingana na venye wewe mwenyewe unataka kiwango kiasi gani cha kakibali, that is vegetable salad. Then after chopping the onion, I had salt, hot water. Hii hot water ukiweka kwa kitunguu, kwa hii kitunguu ambayo umechop, it helps to reduce the smell of the onion. Inapunguza ukali wa kitunguu. Then after you put this one aside and we continue making our kakibali. Tunatengeneza kakibali yetu tukipatia mchele wetu some like 10 minutes to simmer pole pole, kwa sababu unaweka maji kidogo. And for the kakibali unahitaji tu kitunguu, 1 tomato. Yangu badala ya coriander nilitumia green onion, but unaweza tumia dania. In that case it depends, unaweza ongeza vitu zozote zenye unataka kwa kakibali yako. And at this point, if you are still watching, please give me a thumb up, because it means you like this video. Yeah, share, comment, and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Yes, after I am going to mix this vegetable. Like nitaongezanisha kitunguu, niongeze nyanya, that is tomato, niweke chumvi kidogo. Then I'm going to mix everything together. Yeah, just like as you can see, the way the kakibali looks delicious. Yeah, then after we come back, our rice is ready. As you can see, you see the coriander and the green onion. It has imesima. It is already cooked on the top, and our rice is already cooked and I just stick kila piece of mchele iko peke yake. What is the secret behind this? Just soaking your rice, you will get this kind of result. Wow, I like the way this rice looks like. Let's serve and taste, and then I will tell you how this rice is. But hata kwa kuangalia, you can even tell this rice must be very delicious and appetizing, mouth-watering. Wow, hivi ndivyo mchele wetu wa maharage umetokea. Mchele madodo. Then tunaongeza kakibali yetu kidogo, na nilikuwa nimetengeneza cabbage yangu behind the camera. You had there. Now you make your family happy with this kind of recipe. Simple, affordable, and very delicious. Inakaa tu classic, hata kama sio expensive, because of the way we prepare. Wow, it is really appetizing. So thank you for watching my video. Thank you for staying tuned. Till we meet in the next video.